Hello! For this video, ang pag-aaralan naman po natin ay multiplication and division of integers. Yes, tutuloy lang po natin ang pag-aaral natin na integers. So, dun sa mga nakaraan ko pong mga videos, nag-aaral na po tayo ng addition and subtraction. And ngayon naman po, multiplication and division. Yes, magkasabay na po siya. Why? Kasi ang rules po nila ay pareho lang. Unlike addition and subtraction, medyo complicated ng konti yung mga rules na kinailangan po nating pag-aralan or alamin para makuha natin how to add and how to subtract integers. Okay, let's proceed now how to multiply and divide integers. Okay, ganito lamang po kadali mag-multiply at mag-divide ng integers. Kailangan lang po na tingnan natin mabuti yung sign, kung negative or positive yung mga integers natin. Okay, kapag po pareho ang mga signs, your answer would always be positive. Yes. Kung both numbers po ay positive, positive po yung answer. Kung both numbers po ay negative, positive pa rin po ang answer. Ganun pong kadali. And yun pa rin po yung process. Mag-multiply and mag-divide ka pa rin. Kung multiplication po yung given a sign of operation, then you have to multiply the numbers. If division po ang nakita mo na sign of operation, then you have to divide the numbers. Ganun pa rin po siya. Hindi siya kagaya ng addition and subtraction of integers na alam ko po na medyo nalito kayo dahil addition siya, ba't ako nag-subtract? Well, dito po sa multiplication and division, walang changing of operation na mangyayari. Multiplication, multiplication, division, division. Okay? So, bigyan natin ng example. Let's have an example on how to multiply or divide integers with same signs. Okay. Positive 4 multiplied by positive 3. The answer is positive 12. Negative 5 times negative 10 equals, yes, positive 50. Yes, positive kasi pareho pa rin siyang negative. Once na nakita na pareho, positive. Easy? Okay, ito naman yung isa. Teacher, paano po pag magkaiba ang sign? So, when the signs are different, hindi sila magkapareho. Unlike signs, sabi nga, one is positive and the other one is negative, ganito lang po. The answer would always be negative. Pag nakita mo na magkaiba yung signs, then negative yung answer. And yun pa rin. Kung multiplication na nakita mo na operation, then multiply. Kung division na nakita mo ng operation, then divide. Okay, let's have our example. Positive 40 divided by negative 10. First given is positive and the second given is negative. So, unlike signs, or different yung kanilang signs, so the answer is negative 4. Okay, let's have our quick review. When multiplying or dividing integers with like signs, the answer is positive. But when multiplying or dividing integers with unlike signs, the answer is negative. That's all for this video. Thank you.